Assam, a land of cultural beauty and diversity, situated on the northeast of India, has an abundance of natural beauty. One such beauty is its weaving industry. The Gamusa, which is considered a pride of Assam, is being made throughout the state in many households in villages. While cotton yarn is the most commonly used material for making weaving gamusas, there are special occasions where gamusas are made of patch silk. It means something to wipe the body with. Ga means body, musa means to wipe. First, the pure raw cotton yarn, which is untwisted and unbleached, is used to weave the shape. This yarn is named kecha suta. An instrument called khatar or charka is used in making the yarn or suta. The actual wheel part of a spinning wheel does not take the place of the spindle. Instead, it automates the twisting process, allowing one to twist the thread without having to constantly do so manually. After the thread is made using the khatar, the thread is then separated and placed accordingly to the color of the thread. Mainly white and red color are used. This process is known as batikara. The approximate length changes from 1.30 meter to 1.85 meter and width differs from 60 centimeter to 85 centimeter. Two women work together pulling calculated lengths of yarn from multiple bobbins of a wooden frame. After the sizing and color matching is done, the suta yarn is then inserted between an instrument called ra, so that the suta yarn will be used to create the gamusa. The yarns are then attached into two beams. The beams are used to hold the lengthwise yarn so that it doesn't hamper winding the yarns. Then a sala is used to clean and clear up the yarn so that they intertwine with each other. This process is known as sala. The yarn are wrapped within beams which is then carried over by two people and is placed on a zal, shuttle loom. This process is called Botula. The beam is prepared for use on the loom, including the installation of end stops and the winding of the yarn onto the beam. Traditional throw shuttle looms are mounted between four pillars dug solid into the flat mud ground. The principal part of the loom consists of warp beam and fabric beam.
Akan anak kata uli, akan gamsa uli anak kata.
In the throw shuttle loom, a shuttle, also known as a makum, is used in weaving of a gamusa. This shuttle could be thrown through the warp, which allowed much wider cloth to be woven. Typically, two items of goroka are tied to the heel by assistance of ropes. The women use saneki so as to create designs which are later woven on a gamusa. In December 2022, Gamusa has received the Geographical Indication GI tag from the central government. A gamusa is a white rectangular piece of cloth with a red border on three sides and woven motifs.